What's this? Reggie Wolf making a video. Wow, you know, back in December you said you were gonna stop going on hiatuses and going missing. Yes, I'm back. So pretty much the world went crazy. I'm stuck in the house and I want to create something. So I decided to make this. It's Will I Whip It? And it's pretty much me going through shitty car mods on Reddit and deciding whether it's shitty or not, how I feel about it, and would I whip it in the end at the end of the day. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Boom. Bruh. Powered by coal, big oil, and the tears of liberals. Trump 2020. Now wait, we're gonna go back, and it says regardless of politics, why ruin a car like this? And you are absolutely right. Like, okay, shit car from Hoonigan can have the stars and stripes on it, but this is a Lambo, bruh. And then it says Lambros. I guess, yeah, only a Lambro would do something like this, a retarded one at that. And then it has Lambros in like Mexican colors on the back. No, those are Italian colors. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I'm sorry. Ugh. Yeah, nah. I mean, because it's a Lambo, I would still like rock it, but I would definitely rock it for like a weekend, and then I gotta get a new paint job. I gotta get that shit peeled off because that is ugly. You from Oklahoma, of course you have this on there. Let's keep moving. Some guy down the street got himself a new car, and now I have to look at this shit every time I get groceries. What? What is he? Oh. Ew, 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 what the fuck? Dude, you live near a furry. Oh, God. Okay. I don't know what kind of car this is. I think that's Opel, isn't it? But, yeah, bro, you live near a furry and you might want to move. Like, get as far away from him as possible because this is a monstrosity. And they are really going at it. Like, bro, what possessed you to say, yes, I want to get this on the hood of my car that I drive probably for a daily? I really hope this is a prank. That's what I can say. Will I whip it? No! Hell no. Not a day in my life. If I whipped it, I have to be wearing a mask with a hood on. People cannot know it's me. That license plate cannot be registered to me. There's no way I want to be associated with this. It's like a dire emergency if I have to whip this piece of shit. Ugh. Like, look at it. I don't even want to look at it no more. All right, next up. This car in my repair shop today. Okay, well, I'm guessing that it's shitty. Is his exhaust pipe pointed at the ground? Wait. No, the longer you look at this, the worse it gets. So, wiring is shot to hell. What? Is that the door card? What is going on with these speakers? Like, wait, what? Is that a seat? Oh shit! Is that, okay, so that looks like the back. So you took out your entire back seats for two big ass speakers, which I'm guessing by this wiring, these are not wired correctly. And now we about to go to the elephant in the fucking room. You have stolen some cripple man's, goddamn, what are they called? Crutch. You've stolen some cripple man's crutch and secured your battery? Yeah, no, this is a death trap. It deserves to be in the repair shop. I don't know. He probably came in because like some like minor shit happened. And honestly, whoever worked at that repair shop needs to charge him extra and help him get his life together because this is terrible, bruh. Like, come on. Like, I thought the tailpipe was bad. I thought the wiring was bad. You stole a cripple's crutch. You don't deserve to be on shitty car mods. You need to be a shitty human subreddit somewhere that you deserve to be on. All right, so we're gonna move to the next one. Never forget. Oh God, guessing this is 9/11 related. If it is, I might have to click on and click right back off because to hell with the Alamo. What? To hell with Alamo. Remember Pearl Harbor. All right, so because it's not 9/11 related, we're gonna be still sensitive because it's Pearl Harbor, but technically that isn't even Pearl Harbor. That is Pearl Harbor. I don't know what the hell you were talking about, ma'am. I'm thinking this is your truck, but hopefully it's not. But Pearl Harbor is not anything. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. To hell with the Alamo. I don't know what that says. What is this H? Is the H just okay? Okay. I'm stupid. You just got a lot of space with that H, and it was fucking me up. And you got no space with. Come on, bro. Where's your other? I'm pretty sure there's an E and an M missing there. There's an A missing here, and is that what? Wait, isn't Harbor spelled with an A? Okay, yeah. So whoever did this had a third grade education, and all they really taught them in third grade was about Pearl Harbor. Would I whip this?
No.
No, because people would think that I have a third grade education. Probably think I'm special. And yeah, no. Where are you? I wish I could zoom in. But wherever you from, if anyone knows this, please leave it in the comments. You failed at what you were going for. And honestly, you could have made this like that big, like the whole to hell sign. Yeah, just made that a bumper sticker. This would have been a okay bumper sticker, but because you filled up the entire back of your truck with this, you look like an idiot. So let's move the fuck on. Oh my god. Introducing the new Gru mod. What the hell is the Gru? Huh. I see. So we got some minion activity going on here. All right, so look, post-apocalyptic world, which we are kind of moving towards. He might be on to something. That looks like it can keep out a lot of zombies. I can't really see the welds on it, but if it's, I don't know if it's welded. If it's not welded, then maybe it's good. If it is welded, that's a solid idea. But if the apocalypse does not happen, bro, you must be hot. Like, it looks hot as hell, bro. That looks like a giant toaster. It's toasting your ass if you are driving this around in the summer. Oh my god, bro. Like, you can't fit minions in there. Okay, imagine Gru driving here. A bunch of minions in the back, moving around. They look like they're in Florida or California based on the palm trees. Is that Florida? I think that's California. I don't know California tags. Let's just gonna say California. So hot sun cooking your ass. The minions creating friction, which is also creating heat. If you have an AC unit, it is working its life out. And you are an idiot. Would I drive this? Like I said before, in the apocalypse, yes. I'll be running zombies over all day because it even got ground clearance. But in a non-apocalyptic world,
it's going to be a no for me, dog.
No, not at all. Because I feel like there is some shady shit that also goes on in this vehicle. Just saying. So we're going to keep moving on. Saw this being promoted on Instagram. He's got a photo of himself driving his Rolls Royce on the bonnet of his Rolls Royce. I don't know if this is shitty or not. Like, okay, real talk. That is low-key alpha. That is a low-key alpha move, but you are very conceited at the same time, and you kind of deface a Rolls Royce. Now, if it's painted on, ouch. Now, if you got it like, if it's a wrap, I can live with that a little bit more. But you don't look like you take care of it because you don't really keep it clean. I see all these little specks on your hood. But I mean, who do I know? You rich, you got a Rolls Royce, and obviously you don't give a fuck about it because you got that much disposable income. So I'm gonna just say keep balling. Would I do this? Hell no. Can you do it? Yeah, bro. I mean, it's your money. It's your car. But I'm just saying, you like an idiot. Why? All right, let's keep moving. Fellow Redditor did a poor job on their window tint. I've been down this road before. Not on my own vehicle, but on previous family vehicles. Some members had window. Ooh. Hey, bro, give me $20 and I'll just like scrape that right off for you, and we can forget this whole thing happened. But I will say, like, the non-shitty part is this. Like, that's kind of dope. I kind of want one of those for my Miata now. But this, yeah, no, bro. Give me $20. I'll get out there. I don't care what the weather like, as long as it's not raining, because I'm gonna be inside your car, so I'm gonna be pretty much killing your battery with music. I might cut your car on drive to get some McDonald's, but I will scrape that out your window so that you don't have to feel ashamed for yourself at all times, because that is pitiful. That is ugly, bro. Why would you do this to a car? I mean, I understand you want window tint. Sometimes, your cousin Steve can do it faster than cheaper than, a real shop. But sometimes just because it's fast and cheap don't mean it's good. Think about prostitution. All right, next up. That was bad. Oh, would I drive this? Like, realistically, it's not that bad. But if it's up to me, nah, I'll just like peel it out and just drive the car normally. Because I mean, it's a Mazda 3. Not really, a powerhouse, or you gonna go fast, but you obviously don't care. I just noticed this. This car is dirty as shit, but you cleaned it off, sir, to put the sticker on. But you didn't think, oh yeah, maybe I should just clean the whole car. And I'm guessing, look like you did a shitty job with whatever you put on the emblem. So the don't give a fuck award might be going to you, goddamn. Next up, oh my god, spotted in Idaho. Shh, I love it. Kind of scared because the only thing I know about Idaho is potatoes. I'm sorry. Brain is trying to process what the hell you cut the ass of a minivan or a wagon, and you, huh? Cozy Cubby. Do you live in here? Cause like if it's waterproof, no one would ever mess with you because they would know you're crazy. So like that's kind of genius. But I mean, technically this isn't a car, so you can't really whip it. So nah, I wouldn't deal with this either way. But we're gonna keep moving. Spotted in Tallahassee. Finally got a picture. We in for something. Oh, the downforce on you. Hey, we got a rally champion here. Okay, okay. Look at that. Look at that exhaust. You got to have the low exhaust, and you got to angle it up a little bit to create some downforce in the back. Because, that big ass wing in the back just isn't creating enough. You have diffusers. I bet you got a splitter out front, too. I feel like you actually take this to tracks or something. Like, it's crazy enough. I don't know. It feels like he might take this to tracks and just kind of have fun with it. I don't think that he is really going for the look. Maybe this is performance friendly. Like, not this, of course. But maybe that happened while at the track or something. But this looks entertaining. This looks like you don't give a fuck and you just said, let's send it. Like, you had a car that was a project car that you gave all your time and money to. And you had got a new daily because your old daily was breaking down. So you decided, I'm going to fix this one up a little bit. Maybe take it to the track. And this is the end result. And you know what? At the track, I would whip it. I would whip it. I'll have fun with it. Especially if you actually put some engine upgrades to it. Yes. Now, if you didn't, you're Royce. And I just don't support Royce too much. I mean, you can have not this kind of wing, but you can have kind of a little bit of a wing, aftermarket wing on there. But this, if it's just Royce and you don't actually have performance mods, get the fuck out of here. All right, next, final one. Shitbox Rally. Ain't this Shitbox Rally? Oh, this is Shitbox Track Day. Okay, okay. Shitbox Rally. This isn't shitty. Nope, not can't do it. I need a shitty one because I'm gonna tell you why this isn't shitty, and I have like 14 tabs open. This isn't shitty because that they are literally going to the Shitbox Rally, and they even are promoting it with the .com and everything. This car is built for this. This honestly is not shitty at all. This is a masterpiece for what it is even participating in. So no, no, this is not bad. I would whip it at the Shitbox Rally. Good job to you. This don't even deserve to be on here. I mean, it does be inherently because of the name, but at the same time, no. Wait, I didn't read it. What's worse, the face or the fur on the steering wheel? FYI, he's a famous pop musician in Germany. All right, hold up, hold up. Okay, so this is the German rapper, and this is the German pop musician. They must have went to the same like school. They might be brothers for all I know. I mean, one might like they might have different dads, but they definitely share a link somewhere in their brain because fuck, you've made some of the ugliest car hoods, or at least ugly car hood ideas. Like you just started. You've been in the rap game for some years in Germany. You know, we don't know you in the States, but they love you over there. You like the ASAP Rocky of Germans, and you are inspiring to be Fabio. But also, wait, why is it always like Opel? I think that's Opel. If that's not Opel, I'm sorry, but why is it always Opels that are getting people on their hoods? Like, this is the hood edition, apparently. Where's the other one? No, you. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, are those the same car? Wait, is that the same car? No. No, okay. Wait, it might be. I don't know these cars. Yeah, this is terrible. Would I whip this? With his face on there? Hell no. With my face on there? Definitely no. I mean, I'd be more inclined to because, I could do some good promotion, but also I was on some serious drugs. And, the fur on here, I've known people to do that before. Also, sir, why is your car so messy? Do you live in your car? Because if that's the case, look, I ain't got nothing against you. Times is hard. But you could take the fur off, or do you like park it in the sun and the steering wheel get really hot in the summer? If it's that, I understand. I do not hold that against you, Michael. You should have put your name on it, bro. Because like we see that you are cool, but we don't know who you are. You're not a boss if you don't put your name on it. Michael's more of a boss than you now. Yeah, you. Also the chest. Oh my God, the chest hair. Ew. Who wins for? Who wins? So far, the car I would drive the most out of all of these is um out of pure fun factor, you win my approval to drive on a more than once basis. The car I would drive least. Where are you? Yeah, hell nah. Ugh, let's get it off of here. All right, that is it for this video, guys. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I'm just trying this idea out for now. But I will see you guys next time. Peace.